guess that you forgot the past. I see you happy in your life. Something's not clear, and I don't see that you feel hurt or that you miss me. I do not understand this. I do not understand this. Baby, your love is like fire, it's burning my heart and my body. I do not understand this. I do not understand this. If you were in love, if you were in love, tell me if you're nice. Oh yeah, call me in the night. Yeah, can we talk about love? Let's talk about love. Tell me about your life, and then you got.
Ang galing naman ng baby. Ay!
I guess that you forgot the past. I see you happy in your life.
Take a break.
Something's not clear, and I don't see that you feel hurt or that you miss me.
Uy, grabe.
I do not understand this. I do not understand this. Baby, your love is like fire, it's burning my heart and my body. I do not understand this. I do not understand this. If you were in love, if you were in love, tell me if you're nice. Oh yeah, call me in the night. Yeah, can we talk about love? Let's talk about love. Tell me about your life, and then you got.
Good afternoon, guys. So, yep, my hubby is like tying my son. So, work card. This is actually a work card. So, hindi na ako nag-vlog throughout the morning because it's the same routine that I've showed you guys. But the only difference is my husband gets off early from work today, which is this Friday. He went home around like mga siguro 11:30 or something. So ayun, we are now at his work company car, and we're heading to and see how the days go. So it's currently 12 noon. We just had breakfast. We haven't had lunch yet, but it's okay. We like late lunch. And yes, this is actually Ford Maverick 2017 or something, and this is actually good. So yan, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog ng kung anong suot ko, but this is a cute top. I really like this. I thrifted this at Platos. This is actually a local brand like Ardeen. And then I'm just wearing my pregnancy cycling shorts, which I bought from Target, and it's color black, and just my Nike shoes, Air Force shoes. That's my fit for today. And I haven't had my lippy, so I just had pressed powder, which I usually have whenever I go out, because walang time always, diba? So it's always the mother na laging huli. So I just brought it with me. Hopefully, my favorite lippy from Sephora, in the shade 74. Ayan, 74 siya. So that's Sephora. I'm actually gonna apply it right now with you guys. Ayan. Just ganyan. Tapos nag-browse lang ako. It's actually just, I like it bushy. So ito na talaga yung mga type. Before, I used to like love lip tints on me. Especially when I was like, oh, you're done with your snack? Okay, you need more snack. Okay, honey, you can have more snack. This is Little Bellies and it's the cinnamon. Here, baby. So yun, what was I saying? Dati, gusto ko ng mga red lip tint, like talagang stained na lip tint, like red or like orange, pink, like that. But I noticed when I become mom, like parang mas gusto ko na ngayon ng neutral. So neutral everywhere. I forgot my watch. But yeah, so neutral, like everything neutral, because it's just a whole different ball game and like a whole different me. And so my husband started playing his radio, so I'm gonna talk to you guys later.
I keep waiting for you to call. I'm thinking that I'm gonna need a miracle. Wasted again. I tell my friends I'm feeling like you're coming, 'cause I feel the sun. I'm waiting for the special touch you give. I'm needing it more than I ever did. I don't wanna be a sacrificing love. For you I will.
Hi guys, so kakaano lang namin Korean green. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kasi sobrang like, syempre, diba? Ano tayo sa pagkain? So we're heading home right now. We're gonna drop off one car and we're gonna get the bassinet and gonna grab some coffee as well. So yun. Hi everybody, good morning. So it's the Saturday, June I think it's June 1st, around 7 a.m. This is officially my first day of Balik Alindog program. It's not quite there yet. I've chosen a path na talaga ma-challenge ako, like 43 minutes to jog, right? But like most of it are like most of it is like walking. So it's a good head start, I believe, but you know, I think I'm gonna have to better at my pace, but you know, it's just a good start, you know, it's just a start. So I just have to do it to be able to start. But it's a good day today. Look at the sun, and I got to see the scenery, the nature, and everything. So it's really good. I have no complaints, and I am very thankful for the strength that I have to be able to run/walking. All right, you guys, talk to you guys later.
But I just wanna feel your love. I just wanna know how you feel, baby. I just wanna go where your love take me. I'm losing my sanity, you take me under.
your run?
That's good. I fell.
He fell and then he ran home and he said, I got hit by the car. And then he was so red and like his lips was dry. And then I was like, oh my god, I was freaking out. And then he's like, I was just joking. So this was my leftover menudo, guys. Ayan. Gusto ko talaga yung brown na brown sa para talagang lutong-luto ang mga person. Ang mga person. So yan, mahirap mag-vlog and at the same time What, daddy? Yeah. So, just gonna put more. Kinakamay ko na, guys. Malinis naman kamay ko, tsaka kami ng dalawang mag-asawang kakain. Is Margo and Iman coming over?
Oh, look at this.
Are you gonna...
More fresh
Are you... Oh, the rest.
tomorrow.
Okay. This is for us, for lunch and snacking. So, I'm just gonna put 2, 4, 6, 8. Eh, magbabalot pa ako kasi may natira pa. Kahit siksik na yan. Tapos, ito, menudo, guys. Sarap din. Masarap din siya kasi meron siyang may secret ingredient which is yung liver spread. Kinuko lang siya the other night. Yan. So, hindi ko na nilagay sa rep kasi mayat-maya namin siyang kinakain. Kaya ganyan na nga lang kakonti. Tapos, dumalaw yung sister ko. She came over yesterday. And kumain din siya. Marami akong binibiling ganito para sa aking little one. Kaso, mabadaling mauubos kasi talagang favorite niya to. Actually, I'm gonna give one to him. So, yan. Gusto niya yan. Sige, tingnan mo. So, naglalaba din kami, guys. Snacks! Pinapanood ko na Miss Rachel. 30 minutes to an hour. Eh, kakakain niya lang. Almost nap time niya na. So, malapit ko na tong patayin. So, magaling siyang kumain yan. Favorite niya yan. So, strawberry flavor siya. Meron siyang banana. Ang aking mga pinagluluto. I don't think lulutuin ko pa yung longganisa. Pero, like I said, may natira pa sa pork lumpia namin. So, yan. Bibili pa kami ng more wrapper for that. I'm gonna do a fridge tour soon. Tapos ito, look, audit. This is his food, like snack niya. So, papakain ko ito mamaya sa kanya. Ayan. Tapos, itong leftover na mga ano pa. So, there's couple more here. Ipa-fry ni Rui for tomorrow kasi his friends are coming over to jog. So, that's good. Ipa-fry niya yan. Para fresh na fresh siya tomorrow. Ayan, nawala na yung black, guys. Talagang kinuha na nung ibang mga lumpia. Hindi ko talaga alam. Parang feeling ko. Ewan ko kung sa mantika or sa pan. This is our Saturday, looks like. Everybody, so the day has gone by. Time check. Oh my gosh, I still have cough. Like a month later. Time check, it's already 6 p.m. and we have a party to go to that starts at 6 p.m. So this is the reality of having a baby. So we waited for his nap to be finished, and so that we got ready after it. And yeah, so we're leaving at 6 and the party starts at 6. Pero alam niyo naman pag Pilipino, right? So I have a new lippy, which I really like. So I'm gonna show you guys. It's NYX in the shade Laundry Day. This is a laundry day, and I love my eyeshadow, which is NYX as well. I haven't showed you guys that, but if you guys are interested, you guys can just comment down below. But yeah, I love this one, Smooth Whip. It's like there's a matte finish in it, so it's really good because I like neutral colors now. So this is so good. So like wala lang, parang woke up like this lang. But yeah, so we're going to Toronto, actually North York, to attend a party, like a kids party as well. Hopefully we'll be there before, at least before 7. Oh my god, it's going to, what is that? Is that us, Daddy? Oh no, Daddy, you're so mama. So yeah, so we're gonna just attend the party. At least he's happy right now, so we don't have to worry about that. Oh my god, I love my look for today. And we matched. See, look at that. He has black shirt from Zara, and then this one is from Joe Fresh. His pants, and he has a root socks. The thing with him, we didn't sanay him with shoes, so until now he's wearing socks or barefoot. And he's already 9 months, but it's okay, you know. That's still fine, right? So I'll catch you guys up later. Good morning. So it is Sunday, June 2nd, if I'm not mistaken, and it's 12:27 at noon, and we're going to my parents' house, my dad's house, to just chill there and for them to see baby because they've been requesting it. Because he misses him. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna go to my house in Toronto and probably go to a mall with my sister because it happens to be my sister's day off as well. So that's really great. We're gonna have some bonding time with my side of the family, which is really great. And yes, I will check you guys back later. But I forgot to do OOTD with you guys. This came from Zara. So this is a good like baggy t-shirt, which I really like, and of course it's color like neutral. And then my maternity shorts, which I bought from Target, and just my Nike Air Force. And for my lippy, it's the NYX. I had time to do my makeup as well. One thing that we never get to do on Sunday though is to like consistently go to church, which I really pray now we would. But I'm on a hunt right now for a home church that we can be active at and really go to every Sunday and whatnot. So that's what I'm hunting right now. In terms of going to church, otherwise, yes. So this is his OOTD. The shirt came from Zara as well, and then he has his Joe Fresh pants. Basically his outfit yesterday, but we added some shoes, which is the Vans shoes, which is really interesting for him, because you know we didn't get like him to use like shoes until like right now that we're starting to, just because you know it's really good to just wear barefoot and whatnot. So his dad specifically didn't want shoes until right now. I just like insisted that. Right, so yeah, that's for him, and that's the hubs right there. So we're going to my parents' house to have some bonding time, just for some time. I'll check you guys back later.
Apples and bananas.
Good afternoon, guys. So I started vlog late now because I was busy mumming, and it was just the good old routine of JJ and I. Anyways, right now I'm like eating my lunch after he ate his lunch. I have just cooked some leftovers. It took me 15 minutes to do it. Just parang nilaga, minix ko lang lahat, tinimplahan, and that's it. Kasi meron kaming daing from like 2 weeks ago na bigay ng family ko, and yun, ginisa ko sa miswa, repolyo na pabulok na. So some of it I have thrown, pero not all of it. I was able to save like some, may mga repolyo pa. Actually marami pang na-save, pero yun nga, kasi ma-expire na siya soon. So sabi ko, perfect. And yung okra, the okra is not bad, pero like I couldn't think of anything na ilalagay yung okra other than sinigang, which I always cook sinigang. So sabi ko, pahinga naman ako. Cover mo sa ko na lang yung okra. Sinahog ko na lang siya. Leftover na daing. Pusit. Tapos, merong sardines. Dapat hindi ko siya lalagyan ng sardines. Kasi sabi ko, perfect talaga yung miswa sa sardines. There's no way. I cannot put sardines in a miswa. Pero may ganun talagang dish, guys. Walang sardines. Pero, for me, it's always the go-to. Pilit ko siya. Tapos, yung leftover rice, no? Fried rice na niluto na asawa ko nung Saturday, if I'm not mistaken. So, yun. So happy. Hindi lang siya plain rice. Fried rice siya. Kaya, sarap. So, pinapanood ko sa baby ng Miss Rachel ngayon. Siguro mga 30 minutes na siya nanonood. After ko kumain, siguro 50 minutes lang ako dito. Papatayin ko na si Miss Rachel para makapaglaro ng kami. Diba? Bakit din yung buong araw sila dyan, about at the end of the day, still TV. And despite of moving around and doing house chores, I want to make sure na hindi lang siya naka-Miss Rachel the whole day, right? So today, I'm debating whether or not maglalabas kami for a walk. Kasi it's very nasty outside. It's like cloudy, gloomy. I just don't know. So, we'll see about that. If you're ever maglakad man kami, I think it would be like towards the late afternoon na. Probably after his second nap. So, yeah. Kasi nagising siya mga 12:15 na eh, from his first nap. But I bet hindi pa siya magigising kung nagstay ako sa bed with him. Pero umalis ako kasi I had to call some stuff to inquire about stuff. So I had to deal with that. And then shortly after, nagising siya. After nun, pinakain ko na like around 12:30 if I'm not mistaken. Siyempre, hindi ko siya nilala sa pagkain. I take my time to feed him. Whether it would take like an hour or two, I would, just as long as he would keep on opening his mouth. Maglalagay ako ng pagkain. At saka, of course, hindi pa ubos yung pagkain niya. But sometimes, kahit ubos na, I had to scoop in another dish. So, yun. I really take my time. So, that's our bonding. I talk to him as if he knows what I'm talking about. You know, when I tell him every single day now that I miss him. I love him so much. We love him, Dad and I. Because, you know, I'm going back working soon. And grabe yung pagmamahal ko sa motherhood right now. I love taking care of my kids, no matter what they say. Sobra talaga. As if, like, even though I don't take, like, I can't take breaks, there are days na I can't really take breaks kasi, like, he's fussing, he's teething, and whatnot. But, you know, never mind, because I don't mind it at all kasi I always think, you know, future is unknown nowadays. Very unknown. You know, you stay at home, go back working, and even life is short, you know. And just savoring every moment with him. Hey, no. Start the vlog a bit kasi was going on the outdoor mat. He loves going there. So yun. No. Nararamdaman ko na lang talaga yung pagod at the end of the day. Pero like, throughout the day, sobrang, ano, sobrang, ano ko sa kanya? Sobrang joy yung na feel ko. Though it's really tiring, you know. Pumunta na naman siya sa outdoor mat. And now he's looking at me, so I'm gonna have to say goodbye, you guys. I'll talk to you guys later. But now, scooping out.
All eyes on me now. I be riding through C-Town, taking pics when I eat out. Girls ask me to freestyle. Neighbors hating when I speed out. I ain't turning these beats down. GPS and I reroute. Slap the deuce and I peace out. Sunroof tinted, don't need your opinions. I be on my business and you be on Tinder. And if I was single, I'd be right there with you. But I'm committed, keep my dick in my britches. The women that moving their bodies, sunset through numerous pine trees, followed by the paparazzi, but they don't get into our party. Tell the bellhop that I'm sorry. We 40 deep in the line. Oh no, we've been grinding from the go. Jump start, I just bought a new whip. Push start, push the coupe down the highway like a go-kart. All my niggas keep that toaster with them like a Pop-Tart. Make 'em own